Now today, let's take a tour of the CNC and die casting workshop of Lalake. I'm standing in the first floor of Lalake's new factory. It's where the CNC and die casting workshop located. Follow me and let's go. Here in front of us is the central furnace of the die casting workshop. 24 tons of aluminum ingots can be melted here, and the molten aluminum water is then conveyed to 7 side furnaces by this conveyor automatically. The main advantage of the central furnace is that it keeps the constant temperature of the aluminum water so that to enhance the quality of the die casting workpieces. There are currently 7 sets of die casting machines. The counting force of each machine is more than 800 tons, which is more than enough to make most of the heat sink of the light fixtures. Now let's take a look at how a workpiece is produced by the die casting machine. The molten aluminum is fed to this port from the central furnace, and the molten aluminum is automatically fed to the die casting machine through this ladle. The pressure data is preset here, and then with the help of the pressure, a workpiece is produced. With the help of the release agent, the workpiece is taken off from the die casting machine by the automatic machine arm. After cooling off the water here, then knock off the slags on the surface of the workpiece from the die casting machine. There are still many blurs on the surface after knocking off a moment ago. These are the workpieces waiting to be processed in the CNC workshop afterwards. We are now in the workshop of the CNC machines. There are currently 18 sets of CNC machines in this workshop. There is an automatic tool changer in each CNC machine with different tools to do drilling and milling processes. There's also a clamp in the center of the CNC machine to fix the workpieces. When a CNC machine operates, the tools keeps rotating, but the workpieces keep still. These are different tools for the CNC machine, mainly to do the drilling and milling processes. There are tons of benefits to have machining center in the in-house. CNC machines can quickly produce parts that will usually take multiple steps to produce otherwise. Because of the entire fabrication process is automated, the operator is kept out of harm's way. CNC machines are the most efficient means of creating a component, as most CNC feature internal quality assurance detector. The minute an error is detected in the product, the operation is stopped to prevent further waste of materials. After processed by the CNC machine, the workpiece becomes quite smooth. The tolerance of the drilling hole on the workpiece from the CNC machine is within 0.1 millimeters. These are the workpieces processed by the CNC machine. The next step is the surface treatment, like powder coating. That's all for CNC and the die casting workshop introduction. Thank you for watching. Bye.